Hey guys, this is Mr. Waltz. I'm going to show you how to make the bottom view. This will be the last view of your cube. There is one new thing here, and what that is I'm going to show you how to rotate a view. It's really simple, but you'll need to do it on this one. So, anyways, I'm going to hit the quick add, put a plus sign, new view. This is going to be the bottom. Go in here, double click this bad boy, and we'll make this the bottom. Hit enter, finish properties, and put my base view in. This wants to be the bottom. Boom. Visible and hidden edges, 3:1 zoom. Place that view. And you can see what's going on here. I'm going to turn off all the other views, but you probably can see right away that it's upside down, right? So it's not a huge deal. I mean, you could make a drawing with the text upside down, but it looks dumb. So let's fix it. Anyways, right click, modify, or rotate on the view. Okay. So this brings up a rotate tool selection. You just click what you want and then transform. Click this little arrow and you just click some point on here that you want to rotate around. I'm just going to use the center of that circle. And then you literally just move your mouse and it will snap. It looks like every half degree. You could go over into the box over here and type what you wanted, or you can just move your mouse until you get 180 degrees. You just got to be precise with this. Don't do it like some random number. I'm going to type it just to be sure. 180, enter, and I'm good. Okay. Anyway, so now I rotated my view. I'm going to drag it back down here. I'm going to do my projected views. This piece is pretty easy. It's the same exact box dimensions as the other one. For the outline, uh, all four sides are the same. So we do the same thing with the datum dimensioning. Do the same thing with the uh, detail. Okay, so we're going to go in here and put our center marks in. Sometimes you have to click that again. And we're going to put our center lines over here on the side. You only need two over there. We're going to link these with center lines. That saves us from having to dimension the circles separately. Text, we're going to do the same deal. We're going to make a detail. So I click detail, I'll go down here and get this done. Click the view, put your mouse on the bottom of the J. It's pretty good for me. And then I'm going to put this C just right outside there. That looks pretty good. I'm going to make it 8:1. Drop it over here below that. Hit OK. Wait for it. There's a little text guy. Move that up nice and close. Then I can start dimensioning my text. Why is that highlighted? D for dimension. So locate the text. I'm going to move that over a little bit and then show the height of the text right here. Boom. Okay. Then I'm going to do my text again, my little note right here. I'm going to use the top of the J, go up here, paste, Control V, or you can just type this stuff in, tell them what font you're using, and tell them what your deboss is. And you can see there's my dumb typo. And I'm going to move that over so it's not sticking onto my side view. That's good. So the text is taken care of. D for dimension up here. Now you notice we had to put this note on every drawing. I guess we could have had one place in the drawing where we said that all of the parts are have that same text. So that would save a little bit of work. So now we can dimension this. We got a depth dimension here. On the right side, I'm going to do a overall height. I'm going to move this out pretty far. I'm going to do the circles. I'm going to go ahead and do the size of the circles. So I click right here, and I have plenty of room here. So I'm going to put this in here. There's 4 circles. So for capital X space, and then space THRU, hit enter. You can see it's crowding the dimension. So I'm going to drag it over to the left a little bit. There's so much room there that it's easy to do. Cool. Okay. Well, we're doing the circles. Let's just keep going. So same thing again. We'll dimension the we use datum dimensioning, mention dimension it from the left side over here, and stack those two. Boom, like that. And then we'll go up the left side. We'll go from the bottom to the first circle. Boom, and then from the bottom to the second center line. Boom, force, right click. I'm going to force it vertical because it's being a pain in the tuchus. So that does it for the holes. We know where to make the rows and columns of holes, and we know how big to make them and how deep to drill them. Text is done. All we got to do now is dimension the details of the joints on the piece. I'm going to drag this down. I know that I'm going to need a lot of room on the top, so I'm going to drag this one down until my dimensions are almost hitting the edge, but not quite. I'm going to zoom in here, and this is going to be just like before. So datum dimension, start on the left side, go here, and we'll put it there. Datum dimension there. Make sure you get every corner. Okay. Boom. Boom. And now notice I don't do this one. Or do I do that one? I guess I do. Never mind. Mr. Waltz, you don't know what you're talking about. I do them all. Okay. So that's done. That's great. Super. This one, how many is this? This is a 4x. See, it goes inside. I got to drag it out. All 4x's, aren't they? 4x, 4x. So it all looks good. We got the overall down here. We got the holes. We got the text. We got the notes. Isometric looks good. We call it the bottom. You can see now it says sheet 7 of 7 because we made 7 sheets. And you can see they're all down here. Make sure you save this. This is a lot of work, so don't want to lose it. Save that bad boy. I'm going to make one more video that'll show you how to do the PDF export. It's really easy. And then after that, turn these drawings in, and you are done with this project. Good luck. Have fun.